Today, we're going to uncover the secrets of your kitchen's most vital ally, your knives. Mastering their care and safe use isn't just about efficiency. It's about conjuring culinary magic without a single misstep. A dull blade is dangerous, a guaranteed recipe for frustration. Let's make sure your knives are always razor sharp and safe as houses. You'll primarily be wielding your chef's knife for most big creations, a nimble paring knife for intricate details, and a versatile serrated knife for perfectly slicing bread. Choosing the right tool for the job is absolutely key. And remember, a gleaming, sharp blade is your safest companion. It glides through ingredients with effortless precision, minimizing any chance of a treacherous slip. For your knife's longevity, always hand wash them immediately after every use. Never banish them to the harsh chaos of the dishwasher. That's a blade's worst nightmare, dulling edges and scarring handles. A quick rinse with warm, soapy water is all the enchantment they need. Then, meticulously dry them with a clean towel. Moisture invites the shadowy presence of rust. Dry from the spine, moving with purposeful care. Now, for the sacred art of safety. Hold your knife with authority, your thumb and index finger embracing the blade for ultimate control. For chopping, master the claw grip, curl your non-dominant fingertips inward, letting your knuckles become a protective shield for the blade. This ingenious technique safeguards your precious fingers. Always cut away from your body. And if a knife takes an unexpected dive, let it drop like a stone. Never try to catch it midair. That's an invitation to a nasty wound. Keep your blades singing sharp. Hone regularly with a honing steel to realign that pristine edge. For true sharpening, seek out a whetstone or a professional service. For storage, opt for a majestic knife block, a magnetic strip adorning your wall, or individual blade guardians. Never just abandon them in a jumbled drawer. That dulls their sparkling edge and creates a hidden peril. That's it, your guide to wielding kitchen knives with grace, power, and safety. They're an investment in culinary joy. Treat them as such. If this video unveiled new wisdom for you, please like it, subscribe, and share your most cherished knife knowledge in the comments below. Stay safe, and I'll see you in the next adventure.